it is. So this is my 4 GB each memory, which, you kind of need. Maybe. So my processor here, Intel Core i5 4570, really good. I paid some good money for that. I think $300. And this is, when you get this in the mail, it's the thing that you look at. I mean, you don't look over this for hours. You look at this. I mean, like, really. This is the Roccat Cone XTD. It is really cool. It's $60. I think I got it on Amazon, actually. And so the thing is with it, it has weights that come with it. There's a button on here to, if you have Windows, to go straight to Windows, which is really cool. The scroll button is, you can do it sideways, sensitivity. And you can also, on the side here, there's a, like, where you can turn pages. And I think what it is you can go into the settings of the mouse and change all of the colors, like, anytime you want. Which, I think that's the way, since it's a max customization gaming mouse, I think that's what it is. I don't know. Yeah, so this is my Corsair 500R case, the white edition. Didn't think black was that good, and black costs more too. And I think just saying. I mean, look at that. It just looks awesome. White is just cool. LED fan here. 2 fans go on the top here, as you can see. 1 fan goes in the back here, and you got the fan on the side. I'm probably gonna put a bunch of fans in there because I don't like hot. I got 2 stickers, with the heck. Just put them on the side here. They look pretty. I have my video card here. It is a Asus, which I'm kind of Intel Asus. I wanted to get 2 different things, and this is really cool. And did 20% cooler, vastly quieter, which I like quiet. I am not a noisy person, except for when I'm playing games. Yeah, okay, so it is a GeForce GTX 770, and here is my motherboard, ASRock Z87 Extreme 3. It looks pretty cool. Here's my optical drive, $15. It just looks cool, right? Yeah. And here is my 100 or 1 terabyte hard drive. 1,000 gigabytes. That's a bunch. Just saying. It was only $50 too. I'm gonna buy like 8 of those. And what the heck? And why not? And here's my solid state drive, Chronos, 120 gigs, which is pretty dang good. Just saying. And yeah, so that sums up what it all is. It's gonna be Windows 8. And yeah, it averaged out to be like $1,100. Not much. I will go buy my headset later today, and yeah, so I will be putting videos out there very soon for y'all. Okay.